I am happy. I'm over the moon. I am so sad. I feel blue. I am tired. I am worn out. I am angry. I am furious. I am excited. I am thrilled. I feel sick. I'm under the weather. I'm nervous. I have butterflies in my stomach. I'm confused. I am puzzled. I am scared. I am terrified. I'm okay. I'm doing all right. I'm busy. I am swamped. I'm relaxed. I'm as cool as a cucumber. I'm surprised. I am taken aback. I don't understand. I'm lost. I understand. I've got it. I don't know. I have no idea. You can trust me. You can count on me. I like you. I am into you. Give it a try. Give it a shot. How can I help you? How may I assist you? Can I have a minute? May I have a moment of your time? Can I come tomorrow? Can I drop in tomorrow? Please do it fast. Please do it rapidly. It's a bad idea. It's a terrible idea. I will pay the bill. It's on me. I don't care. As if I care. Text me when you get home. Hit me up when you get home. You are so kind. You have a heart of gold. I disagree. Not in my books. You are right. You've got a point. I work in the computer. I am on my laptop. I ride my bike. I go cycling. I study a lot. I hit the books often. I watch movies. I'm into films. Could you check and tell me? Could you verify and inform me? Can you explain this? Could you clarify this? Can you hear me? Am I audible? Let me know. Keep me posted. I need to finish this. I have to wrap this up. I don't have time. I'm pressed for time. I need a taxi. I need a cab. How do I get there? Could you direct me? Can you give me directions? Could you guide me there? Be quiet. Keep it down. Please wait. Kindly hold on. Come here. Could you step closer? Sit down. Please take a seat. Thank you. Much appreciated. You're welcome. No worries. It's okay. No problem. Don't worry. No need to fret. I'll think about it. I'll sleep on it. It is easy. It's a piece of cake. It's very big. It's enormous. It's very small. It's tiny. It's not working. It's broken. It's my fault. I take responsibility. It's important. It's crucial. It's a good idea. It's a brilliant idea. It's cheap. It's a bargain. It's expensive. It costs a fortune. It's far. It's a long way off. It's cold. It's freezing. It's sunny. The sun is blazing. That's funny. That's hilarious. Let's talk. Let's have a chat. I'm leaving. I am off. I'm cleaning. I'm tidying up. I'm cooking. I'm preparing a meal. I'm walking. I'm going for a stroll. I'm running. I'm going for a jog. I'm shopping. I'm running errands. Call me later. Hit me up later. Come with me. Tag along. Wait for me. Hang on a second. Let's start. Let's get the ball rolling. I forgot. It slipped my mind. Let's meet later. Let's catch up later. I'm sorry. My apologies. Stop talking. Zip it. I'm going to the airport. I'm heading to the airport. The flight is delayed. The flight has been postponed. See you soon. Talk to you soon. Take care of yourself. Look after yourself. I'll miss you. You'll be in my thoughts. I hope you found these phrases helpful and that you're one step closer to speaking English like a native speaker. Let me know in the comments which phrase was your favorite or which one you're going to start using today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Phrases Hub for more useful English lessons every week. And remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these phrases in real life. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.